Welcome to Leanne's Learning Library. I'm a certified special education and psychology teacher. I specialize in early literacy and autism. I'm certified in all grades, but my focus is in elementary. I'm doing a video series about preparing for kindergarten. So if you have any questions, please ask in the comments below. Let's get into the video. Here are 10 academic skills your child needs before kindergarten. Number 1. Grasp writing utensils appropriately and use scissors safely. This is a crucial skill for kindergarten. Their handwriting does not need to be perfect by any means. They should be able to control the pencil enough to draw simple letters and shapes. Shapes are a precursor to letters. A is basically a triangle. So know that if your child has a lot of difficulty drawing shapes, they may have a lot of difficulty with handwriting also. Also, for their own safety, please teach them how to use scissors safely. Teach them to cut away from their hands and not to walk around with them. I personally had a scissors on the table rule to help remind them to not walk around with the scissors. Number 2. They should be able to write and recognize their first name. This is just a pretty basic foundational skill. Number 3. Identify basic shapes and colors. It's okay if they mix up some. However, know that if they have trouble recognizing basic shapes and colors, it's an indicator that they may have difficulties identifying letters and numbers also. Number 4. They should also be able to sort objects or pictures by size, shape, and color. This is a higher order thinking skill. It's training the brain to recognize differences in symbols, which is key in recognizing letters and numbers. For example, learning the difference between a B or a D, or between the plus and minus signs, or the number 1 and the number 7. Number 5. Identify parts of a book. This is just a pre-reading skill. Your child has to understand the structure of a book before they can move on to reading. Number 6. Rote count to 20. Rote counting is just reciting the correct order of numbers out loud. They don't have to recognize numbers to 20 yet. They just need to be able to count out loud. Number 7. Identify numbers to 10. Again, this is a basic skill, is a foundation to all other math skills. Make sure that they can recognize the numbers even if they're out of order. Number 8. Touch count objects to 10. This shows one-to-one correspondence, which is a pre-skill to addition and subtraction. Make sure they are counting each object only one time. You can test this skill by arranging 10 objects in a circle, rectangular, or scattered formation. Number 9. Sing the ABCs. This is just a foundational skill. It's basic memorization. If they can do this, it demonstrates that they are mentally ready to memorize counting and other foundational skills. Finally, number 10. Identify most upper and lowercase letters. Don't worry if they don't know all of them, especially the lowercase letters, as they are much harder because they all look so similar. They should at least be able to recognize the upper and lowercase letters in their name. Of course, the more they're able to recognize, the sooner that they can move on to learning the sounds and then decoding words. These are not the only academic skills your child should have for kindergarten, but they are the most foundational that will ensure a successful year for your little one. If you would like a free printable copy of this kindergarten readiness checklist, I've linked it below. Please like and subscribe. I'll be making a part 2 to this video regarding social and emotional skills to help your child have a successful kindergarten year. So keep an eye out for that. Please feel free to ask me any questions below in the comments. Thanks for watching.